Hello YouTubers. Today we're going to be working on a 66 Nova and we're going to be trying to turn it into a supernova. Have you seen the prices on what a supernova costs? So it's just cheaper to make one. We're going to try it today. I drilled it apart and I'm not going to take the paint off of this because it's Memorial Day weekend. I'm just going to leave it in this kind of a fashion. I do have a problem. I've got a post sitting right up here in the front that's going to interfere with my taking that hood off. So I'm going to have to just cut around that and just cut in behind it and set the engine down in there that way. Well, we'll give it a shot and see what happens. Since I'm going to need an engine, I went ahead and cast one. So I just got finished with it. Now I'll have to paint it and sit it down there and make sure it fits. Got it started. I'm using a jeweler saw to square off the ends where the engine's going to go. I'm doing a pretty good job. I'm using nippers to pull off the little pieces that I've made cuts for. I'm using a file to smooth out the final parts of it, make it nice and square. It's going to take me a little bit of time to finish this up, and I'll be back in a minute or two. Work on the wheels a little bit. Back wheels are on. I cut a small piece of tubing for axles. I'm just going to glue to the outside of here to raise the front end up a little bit. Put some wheels on that after I super glue it together. Finished putting the new wheels on it. Got a little bit of a lift in the front. So we're ready to put it back together. Now we've got it all put back together. Looks pretty good compared to we have a little bit of differences, but not too bad. And it looks just as nice, and it cost a whole lot less than the real thing. So that wraps up this edition. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.